Elvis Presley is often referred to as the King of Rock and Roll due to his significant contributions and influence on the genre. However, it's worth noting that Elvis himself never explicitly claimed or embraced the title of King. While the nickname has been widely adopted by fans and the media, Elvis did not actively promote or encourage its use. There are a few potential reasons why Elvis may not have liked being called the King. Firstly, it's possible that he felt uncomfortable with the grandiosity and pressure associated with such a title. Being labeled as the King of Rock and Roll could create high expectations and place a heavy burden on him to maintain that status throughout his career. Secondly, Elvis was known to be a humble and modest person. He often credited his musical influences and acknowledged the contributions of other artists to the development of rock and roll. He might have felt that accepting the title of King would undermine the collective efforts of those who came before him and worked alongside him. Lastly, Elvis had a deep admiration for artists such as Roy Orbison and Little Richard, who also held significant positions in the world of rock and roll. Refusing the title of King could be seen as a sign of respect towards his peers and an acknowledgement that greatness in music should not be reduced to a single individual. While there is no definitive answer as to why Elvis Presley didn't like being called King, it is clear that he preferred to remain humble and focused on his love for music rather than the grandiose titles that accompanied his success.